What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa and as you can see, my hair is very long. I have been growing out my hair for over a year now, just over 1 year. And today I wanted to show you guys how to do the man bun, how to get the man bun. I know that it's a desirable hairstyle right now. It goes through phases. Sometimes people hate it, sometimes people love it, right? The reason why I let my hair grow over the past year is because barbershops were closed, and I figured that was the perfect opportunity for me to actually do this for the first time. I have never ever had hair this long before. One time I had enough hair to do a top knot. Looking back now, that was probably a mistake. I mean, not that it was a mistake. It was kind of trendy at the time, but obviously it looks horrible now if I'm gonna look at it because it's not trendy right now. The top knot is just not the vibe. But the man bun, and the difference is the top knot, you can shave the sides here and you can get kind of like the bun up here with just the hair from the top. So you have an undercut and then the knot. And a man bun is, you know, you have all of your hair from the sides to the back. Everything is longer. It's a lot lengthier. And the measurements of my hair, because I know you guys are gonna ask, are right here. And I'm also gonna put them in the description of this video so you guys have everything that you need. Now to do this, I'm gonna use 4 things. I'm gonna use one of these right here, this elastic, right? I've been actually wearing one of these around my wrists now, which feels kind of funny, but I always feel like I need one, whether, you know, I'm walking around and hair's in my face because it's windy, or I'm gonna work out, always carry one of these. These bobby pins, which I had to learn how to use. It's something that I really didn't know how to use up until just like a couple of months ago. I had to go on Amazon and buy bobby pins. I was like, all right, new me. Forte Series Argan Oil. This is to make sure that there's no flyaways, no frizz, because once you slick it back, there's those baby hairs and you want to make sure that that doesn't look bad. Now, if you have shorter hair, this will still make your hair super nice and smooth, so I highly recommend it. And also it smells amazing. And a very small amount of the Forte Series molding paste. And that is just really to make sure that it's all slicked back. Now, when I do a man bun, I prefer to have a little bit more of a wet look rather than a matte look. I'm not saying greasy gel wet. I am saying I would probably put the oil in and then do the paste, and that already makes it look nice and shiny, like a natural shine. And that is my favorite look for this man bun. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is add a small amount of the Forte Series oil, just a tiny bit here. Add it especially to the front and the sides. And you can see that it doesn't make it wet, but it definitely adds some shine immediately, right? Some nice natural shine. And I also make sure to get the ends because people are gonna be able to see that once you do the bun. Now that my hair feels nice, smooth, then I'm gonna grab my hair. And what you can do here is there's different variations. You know, some people like to leave this there. It kind of looks different, you know, I don't know. Like, I've never really done this hairstyle here. It's just not really my vibe, but some people do enjoy it. Some people do like that. What I'm gonna do is grab all of it from the sides to the back. In the back, I'm gonna sweep my hand like this, pull everything up, making sure that I'm grabbing all of my hair. Once I kind of know that I've grabbed everything, and obviously I can't really see what I'm doing, but I have a good feeling, you can pick, right? You can choose to put your bun kind of like in the back here. You can go a little bit lower for a low bun, or you can go a little bit higher, right, if you'd like. I prefer to go a little bit higher rather than low. Why? Because I like people to see the bun, otherwise you can't see the bun, right? So if it's a little bit higher, then you have more chances of people knowing that you have a man bun and that your hair isn't just slicked back. So once you have that, you're gonna grab your bun like this. You're gonna pull the elastic out and just cover it. Now you're gonna do a loop, twist it, do a loop, twist it, do another loop. Now on this one, what I like to do is do a half a loop. So I don't pull all of my hair, just a lot of it. Just like that. So now I got the bun. You can see that there's some hair sticking out, which I like. It just makes it look cooler, more like, you know, careless, right? It's not like you're trying to make it super perfect. It's a careless look. It's a bun, right? You're like, I don't feel like doing my hair today. Boom, put it in a bun. It looks cool. I really like the man bun look. I've been rocking this a lot recently, even more than, you know, loose hair. And this is kind of what it looks like. Now, as a final step, I'm gonna add a very small amount of the Forte series molding paste. And when I mean small, I really mean it. This is how much I'm gonna put in there right now. Come on, there you go. It's a very small amount. Why? I don't want my hair to be super slicked back. Like this is it, right? I'm just gonna go like this, and look, it's gone already. And I basically just touch up right there. And then I touch up my sideburns for whatever reason, because they're longer, they keep doing like stuff like that. So I just kind of bring them down with the paste, bring that down and shape them with the paste. And then if you want, the back here, depending on how your hair is, you know, if it's longer, if it's shaped, you can kind of just put some paste there as well to hold it back. Guys, we have a man bun. This is the first time ever that I've had a proper man bun in my life, and quite possibly the last time ever, because once I cut this, I don't know if I'm ever gonna go back to having a man. It takes some work. It takes some discipline, some dedication, and some bad hair days to get to this, right? Now, you guys are probably asking, hey Alex, how about the bobby pins? Well, the bobby pins are not necessary right now for me anyway, but I will say these come in so clutch, so clutch when you're not there yet, but you're almost there. What does that mean? Maybe your top can go into the bun, but then the sides aren't long enough, right? For me, that was the case because I used to have kind of like an undercut, right? So my sides were shorter than my top, so it took longer for my sides to grow into the bun. So what I did is I would pull this all the way back and it would almost get to the bun, and then I would just put a bobby pin right there to hold it in place. Now, the bobby pins are still helpful to me. Why? Because I use them when I work out and I know that I'm doing some type of like very active workout, like high intensity training or boxing. If I'm boxing, I need this. Otherwise, my hair is gonna come out of the bun from the sides because it's short. It's literally just makes it to the bun, right? It just makes it to be held by the elastic. So I put the bobby pins in to make sure that they don't come out because I don't want to take my gloves off and fix my hair. No one wants to deal with that. So these bad boys are super handy if you're growing out your hair to put it into a bun. I know it's like maybe not a manly thing or whatever. I don't care. I don't care, honestly. These are super helpful, and I think if you're growing out your hair, you should definitely get a few of these so that you have them handy. I use some of my girlfriends and I'm like, crap, okay, they're very helpful. I gotta buy my own. So I did. Guys, don't forget to check out the Forte series products. They will be listed in the description below. These are incredible and they smell amazing as well. Guys, I'm vibing with this, man. I really like the man bun. Let me give you guys a 360 here and show you what it looks like. I would love to know if any of you guys are striving to have a man bun at the moment, if you're letting your hair grow. I know that there's a lot of comments here on my YouTube channel, even my Instagram, and you guys are saying, hey, I'm letting my hair grow. Alex, we have the same hair journey happening right now, and I would really appreciate it if you guys left a comment here letting me know how long your hair is at the moment. And also, when should I cut my hair? Should I let it grow a little bit longer? Should I cut it? What should I get? I would love to know. Let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, you can find me on TikTok and Instagram. It's at Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.